They don't want to read it.
Hey, I'm next. Don't even try.
There you go.
Back up.
That's
My
dead.
turn.
Can we throw pennies
Are
down
we
there?
army crawling?
Yeah, if you want to.
Can you hold this? Tell me if you guys
Not my buddy.
You're my buddy.
What?
What did you do? Besides?
Is
Hold
this
it.
what they actually do?
Ah, you're on my toes.
Push it in front of
My
you.
bad.
Better not have holes
That's
to
the
my
fun
hair.
part.
Yeah, you have a lot of stuff on your head.
Right here.
Okay.
Look, let me rip it off.
You just put more on.
I put it on her clothes.
It's just clay.
Watch her get kicked in the face.
Look at this, look at this.
Come on, go!
You want to hold it?
Nothing else.
Yeah. All right.
You want to go down the bathroom? I'm next. Oh my god, I'm not ready. Well, I'm excited.
Is there any rules?
Okay,
Don't go down yet. Wait,
Probably
give her a
don't do it
chance.
to the kids.
Get down in there.
Probably don't do it to the kids.
Okay, no, but between us, is there any rules?
You got it, girl.
What do you mean?
It's just
Is
that.
it?
Don't put it on my face.
Yeah, how am I getting you my GoPro
Come on,
down
just
there?
one.
On my face?
Just
No,
a
my
line.
foot? No, my
Just a line.
That's crazy.
No, I gotta wait for it. Yeah, I know. I'm like,
That GoPro didn't go.
See, now when you go back to school in September, you're going to say that you went caving. They're going to think you went to like Crystal Cave with the paths.
back in August.
It's
In
kind
August?
of
Okay,
like,
that's right.
if
You
you
guys,
used to work
Oh,
on
I got
this,
September.
kind of
You're going back to
shades.
August?
and you'll have
No.
pictures to show.
Give let me try.
Now, this is a real cave. This was one of those
Not near my
pretend caves.
mouth.
I won't.
September and I gotta go back in August.
Heck no.
Oh, it looks like doo-doo when you put it. I swear down.
I'm not doing
Just
There's a
go
wrong
face
way?
first. Go face first.
You put a lot more on my face than I put on your face.
exactly.
I didn't put anything on you. I didn't do it to
There you go.
So it's her next and then
Just get it over with.
Okay, do it then.
I made a smiley face on the thing.
I don't care.
Nah, you pushed that in as well. That's messed up, man.
Well, you guys are
Let me
really
do the
good
left
at
side
this.
of your face.
Oh, I'm thinking you got the robot.
Nobody's checking it out yet.
I'll go.
No, he got the robot. Oh, so we don't need plaything.
Exactly.
Sure.
Well, why did you even get this one?
I see.
Yo.
Like another version of Teddy.
Right, quick. Time out.
As soon
Right,
as
do you
Teddy
think
goes,
it's
he
equal?
disappear.
Is Teddy
No.
going this way?
Who's
or
got what?
that way?
You're a liar. You're a liar. He
You wanna
knows
take-
that's a
you
lie
wanna take Teddy
too.
under there?
Yes.
Okay.
She's almost.
Since the real Teddy wasn't able to come,
Do you want
we're
it?
gonna take him.
All right.
Yo,
No,
Teddy's
not me.
gonna watch this and be like, wow, we really made it.
That's crazy. Stop clamping your hands.
That's a big lump of clay right there.
There you go. And he's
I'm
gone.
just waiting for the perfect
Make
moment.
it going through that look easy.
I know it looks tricky, don't it?
That was too far.
In the video,
That was
it
too
looked
far.
tricky. It looked like it was something.
Damn it.
You got
That was way too far.
Yeah.
That was so far. You got it all in my hair.
No, I didn't. Turn
You want to do
around.
it? Okay, that's fine.
you good.
Look at the side of your thing.
Who's your buddy?
It was John's
Completely
way. You
already
just
went
went.
in.
Okay, then
Yo,
somebody
your
else has to
hair.
take his spot.
Nah, your hair.
That's
Right,
okay.
you going?
Just let Buddy know that he's not going in. Okay.
He didn't want to go.
You want that?
Yo, this
you want
is.
Teddy?
Do not touch me with that.
All right.
Time out. We're done. We're done.
You got Teddy. You got Teddy.
Oh, that's messed up.
Bro, look at the back of my head.
Over there.
You're literally not gonna take a shower in the car either. Like
You guys-
before the
You
car.
ready?
Yeah. Me. Or after. Like me and him are the last two. You think they're there yet?
Yeah.
Can I go?
I can hear him.
Oh.
Is it like
Yeah.
a big room?
Yeah.
Or are they
Yeah,
all
that pool
crawling?
party's gonna
They're,
be
they're
so
crawling
cool.
until they're in the walking
Yes,
passage.
bro.
Okay.
That pool party will be sick. Hey, Mike, do you reckon we'll make it back to the pool party?
I'm not doing nothing.
Take your time. Don't rush it. That's it.
Hey, stop.
I'm trying to get it out.
Are your hands clean? Go on, get out. Get out the pieces. Why do I feel like you're rubbing it in?
I'm not trying to.
Is it out?
Yeah, a lot of it is.
A lot of it is.
Yeah.
There we go.
No, I'll actually do it.
You gonna try it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, so, what did I flick you?
Yeah.
Sorry, I was just trying to get them.
How'd you get so muddy so soon?
We kind of. Look at the back of his head.
Jeez. You have to take a shit. You have to
You
leave
left
that-
us for 2 seconds. That's what
You
happens.
have to take all that mud off in here.
Bear in mind, we're the counsellors.
Come on, go.
Wasn't there a phrase in there about responsible adults?
I'm also a counselor.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm not kidding.
Okay.
I'm just short.
He's gonna be a
Yeah,
CRT soon.
we are kidding.
No, I'm just short.
my
I'm shorter than most.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh no. How do you go through that thing?
We're gonna figure it out, buddy.
All the time.
We're gonna figure it out together.
Yo, if I get stuck right in there, bro,
You're
what
not
am I
gonna
gonna
get
do?
stuck.
Wait, did everyone do this?
We yank out. Yeah, everybody else went through it.
Really?
Oh,
We had a lot of people that didn't go first last
yo,
time.
that's so tight.
It's not that tight.
Come on.
Even
Well,
Captain Crunch can make it through there.
Oh.
like humans cannot go through that thing.
They all went through it.
Where do you put your hand? Like,
You just crawl on the ground. You're on your belly.
how you crawl on your belly?
Hands and feet.
Yo,
Just give me 1 second. I've got it, I promise. Just give me a second.
All right. You promise?
you want me to go first?
All right.
I can try.
It's tough. You got to be flat down on the ground.
God damn it. Oh my god, I thought I'm flexible.
Yeah, I'm not that flexible. Oh nah.
Wow, I can't do it.
Yo, you're stuck.
Yes.
Yeah, let me try.
I'm sure I did this last time.
No, literally, that's the whole.
You did. You have to get down on the ground. You're up in the air. You got to get your belly on the ground.
You have room. You have room
There you
right
go.
there.
All the way down. All the way down. You're still in the air.
Oh nah. Heck nah.
Bro, that was so hard.
I'm not making that out.
You're in. You gotta go.
Oh my god.
What am I using?
You go to the right and then crawl.
Where's to the right?
Where do we go?
To the right and crawl.
To the right.
To the right.
Don't go down into the ditch.
Go down into the ditch.
Don't go down into the ditch.
Don't go down into the ditch.
To the right. To the right.
I'm coming over. Just give me a second.
It's so hard.
Yo, this mud is so uncomfortable that you put on my neck. Where have the kids gone?
Oh, they're there.
Hold up.
Oh,
Have we gone the wrong way?
no.
Wait, is there no counselor with them?
No.
Damn.
This is mad hard. Hold up. Is that where we're supposed to go?
Yep.
Come on, you got that. You want me to help you push you out?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you.
I don't know about this one, guys. Hold up.
What?
Just let you know it's this way.
Oh.
You take it what you know.
Right, that's so hard. How do you know where they're going?
Because we're all over here.
Yeah, but how do you know this is the way?
Alan's over here too.
Oh, what? How?
Use your brain.
Damn.
Yo, how did Allie get over here?
Alan took a shortcut.
Is my GoPro still working, bro?
Yeah.
Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still flashing. Flashing means it's recording, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
God damn.
Wait, that was 20 minutes over.
No, not the 20 minutes. We need to blend this in.
Let's see, guys. We have everybody?
Yeah. Dog, you okay?
Yep.
What's that?
I forgot how hard this is.
Lincoln was the last one. Is Lincoln back there?
Yeah. What about Mike?
Everybody.
What about Mike?
Wait, is that a big piece of clay?
It is.
Mike's right there.
Okay, guys, listen up for a second. I'm going to change the order of rooms that I usually do. The next one is we're going to try to do the catacombs.
So that sounds pretty
Wait, what
good.
happened? Wait, what
And
happened?
that's even smaller than that. I think.
What is that?
Listen to how we're going to do this. We're going to go, swinging back and around.
You sure they know we're-
Here.
Why you have both of them on?
Crawl to
The top one ain't that
a
far.
hole
Huh?
in the floor about this big around. And we're going to climb down the hole about 5 or 6 feet. I'm going to spot you going down. Then we're going to go through a couple of small rooms till we get to a large room. We're going to gather together there, and then we're going to go into a long belly crawl. That's tight.
That's the 20.
Okay?
Someone tell me of a lot.
So I just want to let you know that's what we're going to do. If you don't want to do it, if you
I'm doing it all.
can't do it,
Where my
just
gloves
let
are?
me know, and we'll figure something else out. But, it is a challenge. It's tough to do, but once you get it done, it's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna get you do the catacombs.
I hit the GoPro so many times.
Not good.
Hmm?
Hit the GoPro so many times.
Seems to be alright.
I want to challenge myself.
Wait,
Wait,
so wait on. My question is, what's for Brian? Do we have to go back through it?
Say it again.
If we're, like, once we've done it, everybody's there, we have to go back.
This is mad fun, bro. If you're hiking, if you chose to hike,
I think it goes to exit.
Yeah, it is.
yo, this is mad slippery.
Wait, where's the red?
I didn't whine, I just needed to find the right entry point.
Yeah, he was,
I just couldn't get the
he
right
was
entry
freaking
point.
out.
Once you get started, once you get in the first thing.
Yeah.
Wait, you did it? You did the
You wanna
tunnel?
go?
No, I'll go this.
Are you doing the 20-minute?
No.
Oh, man.
We're going down there. We're going down there.
We're going down there.
Yes.
We're just going wherever they go.
Bro, we'll just mimic the yo.
Oh, nah.
Alright, mate.
So, Google,
Yeah.
you didn't do that last year?
Huh?
You didn't go down that little
I thought I did, but I don't remember doing it. I thought I did.
Most people, I think last year, because there were so many kids, a lot of them.
Yeah, I don't think we went that way. I think we probably did the shortcut.
I went that way.
Yeah, you got that. You got that going.
Nah, yeah, I don't remember it.
Yeah.
I don't know what. There was, we had, imagine though, we had 24, didn't we?
This was the safest.
30, or
30, oh my god.
28,
Yeah.
for the adults, yeah.
Bloody hell.
There's a lot less this year.
Yeah. Oh, nah, there's not, still
12.
No, but that's in total though, 30 as in. Oh, maybe, yeah. No, 30 as in boys and girls.
30?
Yeah, with the adults.
Well, yeah.
Counselors.
No.
There's 24 kids and 6 counselors.
No, not in this one.
No, there's only 12 and 3.
It's
So it's
in
15.
total.
Oh, for the tap you're talking about.
Yes,
Yeah. And everybody went,
Look like the city because of
we took everybody caving together last year week, and this is great.
Oh, no, I did. Really bad.
Nah, that's black.
Really bad.
This is mad fun. Feet first. Wait, what? Hold up.
You're just scratching off.
I don't understand.
There's like a slide thingy.
Oh.
with the pool party. If we make it back on time.
We will. Pool parties are like 7.
Are we stopping at the fake Wawas on the way back?
No. Are we? Mike?
Everywhere.
We're stopping off the sheets on the way back.
Either sheets or the rest
Oh,
of
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Oh, need a wee, yeah. Yeah.
No, no, no.
Fake wall.
There's a dinner at home.
There's a rest stop, like,
There's the dinner at the
No,
camp.
he's not saying for food, he's saying for toilet.
there's a rest stop 10 miles from Sheets. So we either stop at Sheets or the rest stop like where we eat lunch. This is one on the opposite side of the road.
Okay.
Which one did you like better?
Excuse me, counsel.
The restroom one.
Which one?
The restroom.
There we go. I thought that was cleaner than Sheets.
Yeah.
I didn't listen, so I actually don't know.
Sheets
I'm gonna say no.
The men's room in Sheets was pretty dirty.
Yeah, that one that you're at right now. Yeah.
Like over there. Don't go over there.
I'm crawling.
Does it or am I tripping? Echo. No, bro. I'm not gonna slide down.
There's not enough room, and my body's not made to be practicing like that.
Probably next
Shorter
time.
kings are good with this one.
Are those shoes, they slip at all? Their shoes, they slip on the rocks at all?
Yeah, they do, yeah. When it's wet, they do, but when it's like this,
Yo, how are you not as thing as me? 'Cause I was like, that belly crawl.
Jackson.
Don't slide. Don't slide. Yeah, don't slide yet.
You know, like at the start, like, it was slippery then, but now it's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, don't work me in the shower for like 10 minutes. Earlier this morning, somebody took a 30-minute shower.
Yeah.
Well, y'all don't.
Should we slide down? Where are you going? Is that another way?
No.
Krogan. Where are you going?
Who's that?
Try to squeeze through that one. Try to squeeze through that one.
What is he doing? Oh my god.
What's up?
It literally might be
Nah.
That works.
Oh, you were allowed to go up there?
No.
Girl, I'm gonna throw this ball.
Can I go?
I'm gonna throw a teddy up.
No. Go down the bottom.
Oh, this ain't fair. I'm gonna touch it.
Good?
Hey, yo, it's a slide.
I just wanna go on like 20 minutes long.
I'm definitely not going to do that.
You don't?
No, where Teddy goes?
Alright,
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.